The Playwright MCP Server allows you to explain a bug to Copilot Agent Mode and the repro steps and let it see the problem, discover what's wrong, and confirm the fix. After the message is sent, Copilot uses the To-Do MCP server, currently in preview, to track its work. It's going to follow the guidance provided for starting the server, then using Playwright to perform the steps to confirm the bug. We can see the call to the page in Playwright to get an understanding of what's currently there. It then uses the publisher selector on the page to attempt to reproduce the bug. It discovers things are exactly as reported. The filter doesn't do anything. With this information, it turns its attention to the application code. It opens up the Frontend file, the games list svelte component, and determines the code there looks good. Next, it returns to Playwright to examine the network calls to ensure those are being made correctly, and they are. Then it opens the backend and discovers our typo. Okay, that's what needs to get fixed. It generates said fix and returns to Playwright to confirm it worked correctly. It waits for the page to refresh, then tries the selector again. Everything is working fine now. One last update to the to-do list to mark that we've successfully completed the task. With the help of the Playwright MCP server, we can allow Copilot to better support us as we're creating web applications, not solely creating end-to-end tests, but also doing live validation of our changes.